What is being told in this? There are A10 players, right? A10 players are there. Further, you have 4N players left. Further, there would be 2N players left. Knockout tournament is there, right? 50-50-50. So what happened? The game goes in 3 rounds. First round is this. Second round is this. This is the third round. Right? Telling you that it is known that all the players are equal strength. The tournament is held in 3 rounds where the players are paired at random in each round. So, sample space is 8CN2. Right? Here the sample space will be 4NC2. Here the sample space is 2NC2. Right? So now, if it is given that P1 wins the third round, means P1 has to stay till the last round. And P2 loses in the second round. P2 also goes until second round. Means that I have to, that 2 persons will keep on continuing till second round. First round I am eliminating both of them. And I left over with 8N minus 2 people. Right? Out of that, the games would be played within themselves. This is okay. Then we reach out to second round game. When you reach out to second round game, P2 will be playing it and losing it. But P1 will continue. So I will count P2 and P1 will be eliminated, means not to be in the competition, means already winning. We can take it like this. Okay. Then we reach out to the last round. When you reach out to the last round also he is going to win. Means 2N minus 1 C2. Am I clear? But there is something which I might not be able to understand. Things are clear pretty. See, when 4N people are being followed, so the game would be not over there as this. It would be 4N minus 2, isn't it? That many people to be selected now, and they will be going ahead. 2 left over. Then 4N minus 1, 2N minus 1. Because 1 is already, P1 is already gone. Out of 2N minus 1, you need to have, and down also, you have 4N, C2N, C4N, 2N Cn, and 2N Cn minus 1, N minus. Because one person is already winning. This is the way it is to be done. Because every time the things are getting half now. You need to select half, winning 1, losing 1. Knockout game. So this is the thing. You need to multiply all of them. I think you can do now. Just multiply them, get the answer. You will find it. And there is another way of doing it, is also smart way, is that take random n as some value. Okay. If you take n as 1, let us suppose, means 8 people are there only. You understand this story, this suggestion I already being talked to you in multiple discussions which we have done already. I told you that. Take n as 1. We'll have 8 players in the system, right? Then why I'm choosing 1 as the correct one, or why I'm taking 1 as my authentic approach? Because I have verified reference to my options also, that will become 1 over 7, it will become 1 over 9, it will become 2 over 3. All the 3 options are also distinct. Do you understand? So this is the way you need to choose n in such a way that all the options should also give you a distinct output, so that n would be giving you an immediate answer reference to this. Sometimes a student feels like taking n is fine. We start with a question, we don't see option. And sometimes 2 options may clash also with the same answer by taking n as 1. So better choosing the number n as some particular value, check with the option first that all should be distinct, and that n should be declared as the correct one to start with the question with it. Sometimes if it is not matching, I would have taken n as 2. So I should go with 16 players then. Okay. But n1 is the easiest one. We'll begin with n equal to 1. Have you got the meaning of it, what I said? So do that way, because doing in n takes a generalized thought, and it may take you more time to do in that way. So doing in particular will help you out. Okay, clear? So now tell me next. And the answer is D. None of these. Which one next? Two also. Okay. 2, let us see 2. 2 giving you x is a random variable, pxr is equal to pq raised to the power r, where p is probability of success, we can take q, we can take it as a failure, is a binomial probability distribution type of thing is there. X greater than equal to a, and it is not being ending up anywhere, means running till infinity. So p greater than a we want means beginning with a, pa, then pa plus 1, and so on. This is going on as pqa plus pqa plus 1 up to infinity. So pqa you can take common, 1 over 1 minus q. Am I clear? Yes. चल कोई नहीं अभी. Yes. So this is okay, and you know that 1 minus q will be p. The answer is q raised to the power a. I think first is there, and then you have this condition probability p x greater than a plus b intersection, this will be pa plus b over px greater than a. This is the only one, na? Because the common will come a plus b only. This many, and it is equal to greater than equal to b. So that you have to calculate the values at every time. See, you are getting greater than a is q raised to the power a. So p x greater than b, you'll get the answer as q raised to the power b. And when for a plus b, if you talk about, it would be q raised to the power a plus b. Right? Successively you go for this. Q raised to the power a plus b is not equal to q raised to the power a. What is the answer we are getting in this? Huh? What is the intersection of these two? A plus B is particular value, so we'll get not a summation, na? We'll get only this value, I guess so. C mein hoga, yeah. So why not in this? So in this case, what will be the answer? P Q raised to the power A plus B. I am doing for B now, okay? Over Q raised to the power B. So answer is Q raised to the power A, which is the value of PA. So not going to match with anyone. This is not correct then. This is also not correct then. If only A plus B is there, your answer is P Q raised to the power A plus B over PA. Q raised to the power A. We get the answer as P raised to the power P and Q raised to the power B. This is the answer. And x equal to B, it is matching. X equal to B, when you put, you get this, na? So A and C, I think, is the answer. So how B and D will come? Why? Intersection over A. Acha. I did it wrong. Oh my God. This is all. B is also correct because you have x greater than A plus B over, this is the intersection of it, over P, x greater than equal to A. Your answer is Q raised to the power A plus B over Q raised to the power A. This is gone. Q raised to the power B, which is nothing but P x greater than equal to B. Correct. And C is already there. D again you will check, you will get the answer for D also. You understood, everyone? Yeah, tell me the next. Which one to do? Eighth one. Eighth one is if two integers A and B are randomly selected from 1 to 2 and with replacement, then if the probability being a positive integer, that is not ending up anywhere. Okay. What to apply? See, if I have to do the square of a number, and A square plus B square over 5 is integer, let us suppose K. So my answer is A square plus B square should be 5K. So A square and B square should be add up to give me the value 0 or 5, right? So A square may give me, if I select the number from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 may also come, na? The units place may be 0, 0, 1, 1, that will come. Then you have 4 possibility, 9 possibility, 5 possibility, 6 possibility, 8 will not come. That's it. This is the square when any number being done on the units place. This I have written the units place values. Okay. So units place 0 will come when you have possibility like this is the only possibility of getting 10 and 20, or we get 5 into 2 also. 25 is there in this, but the number will be not going to give you. This is only possibility when you have 10s are there. Okay. And in this case 1 will get it when you have 9 is there in both 9 square and 1 square. Units place digit is 9 or 1 square. A digit I am writing like A and B. I'm just see what I'm doing. A and B, I'm choosing a number whose square if I do, what will come at the units place, that I'm just looking forward to. Then we'll just check out that A square plus B square should give me multiple of 5. This is my concern. So 1 on squaring of a number can only come when a number is ending up with 9 and I do the squaring of it, or number ending with 1, I do square of it. Okay. When I go for 4, you have 8 and 2, ending up with 8 or 2. And for 9, you have 7 and 3. For 5, you have only 5. For 6, you have 4 and 6. Am I clear? Now what you have to do? You have to do the summation as 5 or 0. How do you get 5 and 0 summation? From this place, either combination is this 0 1 0 0, or combination 1 4 4 1. 1 9 9 1. 0 5 5 0. 4 6 6 4 5 5. Any other pending? Now we have to choose out the numbers. How this will form? How this will form? Multiplied by 2 we have to do. And then we have to take up these also. And then they should be successively added. What? So let it be infinite. What is the problem in that? Okay. It should be n. Something like that. No, nothing mentioned means misprinting won't be there. With replacement, they are not giving any. That means they have not taken it. Infinite set is they have considered. They have considered only this. What is the best possible of getting their sum? All possible cases of getting their sum. What kind of sum they will get it? That is a possibility they have considered. Like all best possibilities are what? One possibility of getting 0 0. 2 possibilities of getting this. I'm telling about the frequency. Like how many times you'll get this? 1 1. So how many times you'll get this? This is also 2. This is also 2. This is also 1. This is also 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. There are 10 cases possible, and moreover Out of that 10 cases, we need to just check out what is going to happen for getting this. A to be taken of 10 types, B to be taken of 10 types. Right? Out of that 10 possibilities, I have to see how many times it will come 0, 0. So one case, 1 cross 1. Then 1, 4. Two possibilities here. And 2 here, 2 cross 2, cross 2. And interchange of this. 2 cross 2, cross 2. Like this you have to do for the rest. Then you can get the answer. Do you understand what I did? See all the possibilities you have to take up. The pairing, how many times? All possibility of getting, how many ways of getting the square sum. Square sums are possible of getting, all possible sums are total 10 possible cases of getting the sums. Like 0, 1, 2, units place digit, you just see that one. And then just pair them up, how to get the multiple of 5. So this is the pairing which you have to do like this, like this. Then you have 9 and 1, 1 and 9. Then you go with 5 and 5. Then you have 6 with 4, 4 with 6, like this. Okay. Hope you'll get the answer after that when you do it. Okay. Let's get back to the next question. Which one you want me to do now? And the answer is, I think, 7. Its answer is 7. This value is 7. Yes. Which one? Next. 9. Okay. In a game of poker, the probability of getting a pair is in 5 cards. Is a pair consists of 2 cards of the same kind? Okay. Same kind. That is, the denomination is same. Color obviously different. And 3 cards are of different kind. Means different from kings. And they are of different from each other as well. Okay. So we have, in playing cards, we have 32 cards in which we have 13 cross 4 is there. Right? 13 set of each with identical 4 set is there. So out of that we want exactly in a poker game pair in 5 cards. So out of this 13 we select any 2 community. Okay. You understand this 13 groups? Ace 4, 4 twos, right? Threes, like this. These are the 13 groups, right? So we select first of all any 2 groups out of it. And from that group we will select 2 cards to form a pair. If this is selected, I want to select 4 C2 further out of it to get 2 aces, right? So this is my first work done. 2 cards of same kind I've selected. Now I have to select 3 cards which should be different from them as well. So that 2 groups are left over now. The left over as 11 groups, right? Out of 11 groups, I will select 3 groups, and from each group, I will select one card each. You understand? And in the denominator, we will have 52 C5. Not clear? Successively you have to go means understand the POCUS policy what they have just made it. Two identical y means the same denomination remaining different. I hope you can get this. Which one? Why I'm selecting two? Okay, it should be one. Yes, correct. I have to select any one group out of which I have to select two cards. 13C1 should be there. Should be 13C2. Fine. Is that clear? Okay, move ahead. That though we did it in the class